This relaxation exercise is a calming visualization that will guide you to imagine floating on a cloud. Find a relaxed position. Lying down is best. And get comfortable. First, relax your body. Starting at the top of your head, allow a feeling of relaxation to begin. Feel the relaxation grow with each breath you take. Inhale. Relax your scalp and head. Exhale. Let the tension go away even more. Breathe in relaxation, feeling your face and ears relax. Exhale all the tension. Inhale, feeling your neck and shoulders relaxing. As you exhale, let all the muscles of your neck and shoulders release their hold, relaxing fully. Breathe in, feeling the relaxation continuing to your arms and hands. Breathe out the tension. Breathe in relaxation, allowing your chest and upper back to relax. Release the tension as you exhale. Inhale, feeling the relaxation flowing through your middle back and your stomach. Release the muscles of your back and stomach as you breathe out. As you take another breath, feel your lower back relaxing. Feel the tension leaving as you release the breath. Breathe in, relaxing your hips and pelvic area. Breathe out, relaxing even further. As you inhale, feel your upper legs relaxing. Let the muscles of your legs completely let go as you breathe out. Take another breath, drawing in relaxation all the way down to your feet. Let your legs go limp as you exhale. Continue to breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. Now you are feeling deeply relaxed and calm. Begin to create a picture in your mind. Imagine that you are floating on a soft, fluffy white cloud. Feel the surface beneath you becoming softer, more cloud-like. Feel the cloud rising out of the surface you are on, surrounding you in its protective support. Soon, you are floating on just the cloud. Let it rise a little further, taking you with it. See the walls and ceiling around you, disappearing as you float into the sunny sky, drifting on the cloud. Feel the cloud beneath you. It is soft but supportive. Feel the cloud supporting your whole body, Notice each place where your body is touching the cloud. Feel how soft and comfortable the cloud is. It is almost like floating in the air. Notice how the cloud feels. It might be a little bit cool and moist, like fog. Your body is warm, very warm and heavy, and sinking into the cloud. It is a wonderful feeling. Start to create an image in your mind of where you are. You might be floating just barely above the ground. You can choose to float wherever you like. The sky above you is bright blue, sunny and inviting. You are warm and comfortable, warmed by the sun's rays shining down peacefully. There are some other clouds in the sky, floating gently. See them lazily passing by far above. Your cloud can float wherever you choose. If you enjoy being high up, you can let your cloud rise into the sky. It is very safe, very calming, very relaxing. You are so relaxed, floating on a cloud, supported gently but firmly by your cloud, surrounded by the cloud's protective embrace. See the sights around you as you are floating on a cloud. Imagine the green grass below gently blowing in the wind. The grass recedes further away as you rise into the sky. From here, the grass looks like a soft carpet, the wind creating gentle waves in the grass as if it were water. What else do you see? Perhaps some trees, their leaves whispering in the gentle breeze. You can gaze down on housetops, country roads, hills. From this amazing vantage point, you can see around you 360 degrees. The horizon stretches out in a complete circle around you. Notice in the distance how the hills appear almost blue, slightly hazy. How does it feel to be floating on a cloud? Does it sway gently, like a boat on almost smooth water? Does it drift in the breeze? Can you feel the movement as you gently float on the cloud? You feel so comfortable, so relaxed, floating on a cloud. Continue floating on a cloud, enjoying the sights around you. Up here, the air is so clean. Look up at the beautiful sky. The clouds that were high above you are much closer now. Some are so close you can almost touch them. Not quite. Continue floating on a cloud, drifting, wish. The ground below you looks like a patchwork quilt. Green grass, golden fields, yellow, brown, blue patches of water, rivers, and lakes. See the clouds around you. You are even able to look down on some clouds. See the shadows they make on the ground below. Can you see the shadow from your cloud? See how the shadow drifts silently across the ground below. Relax and luxuriate in this beautiful scene, floating on a cloud. You are so close now to another cloud above you that if you reach out, you can touch it. What would it feel like? You can even rise higher still and pass right through the clouds above. Feel the mist on your cheeks as you rise through the clouds. Around you it is a glorious white, like fog. The sun shines through just enough that the white all around you glows vibrantly. You rise higher still, suddenly coming through the clouds and into the open, dazzling sunlight shining on your face. The sky above is brilliant blue. You can look down on the cloud you just passed and see the white, fluffy peaks and valleys of this cloud below. It looks like perfect snow. Looking around below you, it is as if you are above a land of snow. The sun shines brightly. Lay back on your cloud, floating, relaxing, floating on a cloud. Feel the cloud beneath you, still supporting you smoothly and comfortably. Take your cloud wherever you wish, higher, lower, side to side. Drift wherever you want to go. Enjoy the sights around you as you are flying wherever you wish. Continue floating on a cloud, relaxing. Imagine wherever it is you would like to go. Your cloud can take you there. Maybe you want to float above the mountains, drifting above the rocky peaks. Perhaps you would like to drift along the coast of the ocean, watching the waves crashing to shore. Maybe you would like to float through the city, drifting in and out among buildings and watching the cars below. You can travel anywhere you wish. You can look down on forests, the countryside, even your own home. Float wherever you like. Enjoy the sights around you. Enjoy floating on a cloud. You are so relaxed, so peaceful. Now it is time to return to your day. Let your cloud take you there. Feel your cloud flying through the sky back to where you need to go. Let your cloud lower you down, back toward the ground. Float back to where you were when you started this visualization. Let the cloud meld with a bed, chair, or whatever surface you are on. Feel the cloud slowly disappear as the real surface becomes more solid beneath you. Notice now your surroundings. Gradually come back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you. Hear the sounds around you. Become more and more aware and alert. Continue to rest for a few moments longer, but open your eyes and look around. See the surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body reawaken. Shrug your shoulders. Move your arms and legs. Turn your head. When you are ready, you can return to your day, feeling refreshed and alert after your journey floating on a cloud.